friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to fry peanuts. I'll be adding an egg to add an extra punch to the dish. This is definitely going to be a unique crispy snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, I've taken 1 cup of raw peanuts. This weighs 200 grams. To this, add an egg. Mix it well. Now to this, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well. It will be a little sticky at this stage, no worries. Now add 4 tablespoons of corn flour and mix it well. It will start to dry up. It's nicely done now, so let's get ready to fry the peanuts. Heat sufficient oil in a pan and drop in the peanuts. Fry the peanuts for 3 minutes in high flame. Remove when it's nice and crispy. Serve it right away and enjoy it with your family and friends. Do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Heat a pan. Into this, add a teaspoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow the butter to melt completely. Then to this, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. Then to this, add few curry leaves, half cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of boiled peas. Give all the ingredients a good salt. Then add half cup of boiled sweet corn. Mix it well. Pressure cook the sweet corn for 3 whistles with some salt and your boiled sweet corn should be ready. Now to this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it all well for a minute. It's been a minute and the ingredients are all well combined and ready. So to this, add few chopped coriander leaves and half teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a quick mix and our delicious sweet corn chaat is now ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try the sweet corn chaat recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.